if you find tapping on the screen tricky or just want to control your phone hands-free, voice control is a great tool built into your iPhone. Once you have unlocked your Apple device, find the settings icon. It's grey and looks like an image of gears. If it's not on the first screen you see, you may need to swipe between screens to find it. Once you've found it, click on it. On the settings page, navigate to the Accessibility tab. It's blue and has a white stick man on it. Then scroll down and tap on Voice Control. This is under the Physical and Motor heading. Tap Set Up Voice Control. If this is the first time voice control has been opened, your phone will guide you through a short setup. Tap Continue, and then Done. Now, tap the switch at the top of the screen to toggle voice control on. You'll see a little blue sound wave appear in the top left corner of your screen. This means it's listening. To go back to the home screen, just say, "Go home." Now, let me showcase some commands. First, let's send a text message. We recommend using the grid function to make it easier to tap on parts of the screen using your voice. Open Messages. Show grid. To use the grid, we say the number that corresponds to where we want to tap. 4. Tap 9. Jane. Tap Jane. Tap text message. Hello! Exclamation mark. How are you? Question mark. Tap send. Go home. Now, let's make a phone call. Tap phone. Tap contacts. Tap Jane. Tap call. Voice control will stop listening at this point, so you may need the other person to end the call. Now, let's open and close an app. Open Safari. Go home. Show app switcher. Swipe up. Go home. If you ever want to pause voice control, say stop listening. To turn it back on, just say start listening. You can also turn it off anytime by going back to Settings, Accessibility, Voice Control, and switching it off. On the voice control settings page, there's a tutorial you can access using the Open Voice Control Tutorial button, which shows you some more commands. You can also view a list of commands from the settings page by tapping Commands. For some of the tasks mentioned in this tutorial, you can also use Apple's voice assistant called Siri. For example, to make a call, you can say, "Hey Siri, call Jane." And that's how you use voice control to handle your phone with just your voice. No taps needed.